trying the Liquid I.V raspberry lemonade sugar-free coffee time. I'm wearing Halara. Good morning, happy Sunday. I just took Holly out and she's doing really good today so far. She got up and walked by herself. I would have taken a video, but I didn't grab my phone and I didn't think of it at first. I mean, she looked like a drunken sailor because she was like kind of like wobbly, but so good. She went to the bathroom out there, which is amazing. She didn't go overnight in here, which is amazing because I'm a little worried about my wood floors getting completely ruined during this whole situation. But I would rather her go to the bathroom than not, so wherever it has to happen, it has to happen. But if you're new here, that's probably a lot of information. So anyway, I'm Jess, and I've just been vlogging like every day. And I guess if there's not a lot, I just put a couple days together, so here we are on a Sunday. Breakfast time. She's eating on her own pretty well, which is good. Just fill the old Stanley, and now I'm gonna make a Liquid I.V, because you know I like to have one of these a day, and my consumption of water is way down. I am so proud of myself. When I was in Tampa completing 75 hard, I was so good with my water, but in Spain I was so bad. It's like not as much a part of the culture there, which sounds weird, like drinking water is not part of the culture, but like there was fill-up stuff, like there were fill-ups at the conference I was at, but in the hotel it was like there wasn't water, like you couldn't like fill your water anywhere. The sink was fine, like you can drink the water there, but I don't do that. And the fridge I had was not powerful at all. Like it barely made things cold. So like, no. Like if I had a nice cold fridge, maybe. And then there was a market right next to my hotel, so I did buy bottles there, which was good, but I definitely didn't drink enough water there at all. So I'm trying the Liquid I.V raspberry lemonade sugar-free. I bought a bunch of sugar-free Liquid IVs before my trip, and I didn't even try them. I had Ultima pomegranate, which I love. I don't like all the Ultima flavors. I used to drink it a lot. Pomegranate's my favorite. Anyway, so let's try the raspberry lemonade. Let's do a Misty rating. Is it a new favorite or epic disaster? 3, 2, 1, drink it. Oh, that's really good. Oh yeah, that's definitely a new favorite. I would definitely, I don't even have a whole pack, but I would purchase that again. The lemonade-ness, it's like the perfect sweetness, and I forget what they use in the sugar-free one, but it's not as like sugary as the regular one. I don't know. It doesn't say on here, but I'm sure it says on the package. But yeah, new favorite on the Misty rating scale. Coffee time. This is the best coffee you can get at the grocery store because it is the normal amount of caffeine. Next, I'm gonna do half a cup of this Core Power Shake, which is about a third of a bottle. If you don't feel like measuring, you can just kind of mentally measure a third of a bottle. And then this is a chocolate caramel. Just a little splash of this. This stuff is very potent. So just to give it a little, ooh, that was a big splash, big splash. And then, of course, we got a mixy mix. She looks good. First sip. That is absolute heaven. If you haven't tried this recipe and you like the idea of like a mocha coffee, you don't need the coffee made at all. I just already had it in my fridge. I've had this bottle in my other fridge because we have a fridge in the garage for a while now, and I really wanted to just like get it going. So I do think it adds something. It does have sucralose. I think the shakes have, yeah. Oh wait, no, yeah, monk fruit and sucralose. So if you're trying to avoid sucralose, which I was trying to avoid for a long time, and then I just kind of gave into it. And now a lot of the products I have it, but oh well, you know, they're delicious. She's up. Hi. So what I like to do, so my coffees aren't just melting away, is I have these insulated mugs. This is a Yeti. This is like a pretend Yeti from Burn. As you can see, Burn. And I slip them in here. That one's not a perfect fit, but it really makes it stay cold longer. I do kind of want to add ice to this though, because I just let it sit for like 20 minutes. I was watching Holly because she was trying to walk, which was amazing. Oh, this is good. Just took a body shower and I'm wearing Halara, one of their bra tops and shorts with pockets. I just cannot stop wearing biker shorts every single day. And then like comfy bra tops. This just has like a little shelf bra and pads. This is just my favorite kind of everyday throw on after my shower. There are 2 flies in my room. If you just saw it zoom by. Yeah, great. Love that for me. And then in terms of a shirt, I don't know what I'll wear. This was already out. This is from Down East, which is funny because that's a hard cider. I have not had alcohol. I have officially not had any alcohol since March 1st. So that's pretty cool. It's been several months now. I do have some in my fridge, some Down East actually. I'm like, is it bad to wear this shirt? But it's a comfort color shirt and these are so comfy. So I'm kind of tempted. Yeah, it's so comfy. It's like what I want to be wearing right now. I know it says Down East and that's alcoholic, but I don't know. I'm not against the brand and I'm not against other people drinking it, just not me. Breakfast. This is a protein bagel, by the way. It is 97 degrees out. I have been lumping most of the day and I only have 2,900 steps. I did, however, just put my sheets in the laundry. So I have come to my second gym, Planet Fitness, to get some steps in because I really want to go on the treadmill and there's no way I'm doing that in my garage right now. So that is the plan, that we will go on the treadmill here. It's also honestly a much better treadmill because mine is so skinny. I have to put the speed so low to start out if I'm going to be multitasking on my phone. Whereas here, if it's like a full-size treadmill, I am less likely to accidentally step on the rails because my other treadmill at home, one day I stepped on the rails and I almost fell off and it was really scary. So ever since then, it's freaked me out to go on my phone and on the treadmill. But the whole point of having it was so I could multitask. So I just, when I'm at home, I go at like a 2, and then I go to 2.5. And then if I'm really feeling crazy, I'll go to a 3, but the 3 is the limit. Whereas here, like I can go on a 3 and like be fine. So here we go. I'm stalling. I got myself to 7,000 steps. I definitely could have done more, but I just like was not feeling it. I edited like 1 or 2 videos and then I wanted to quit, but I didn't want to quit on my steps, so I watched a Nikki Blacketer vlog And then I also watched part of a Morgan Green vlog. And then I was like, okay, because I had gone like a couple miles at that point. So I was like, okay, we can go. One thing I don't like about the Fitbit is like it auto detects when you're walking. And if it tracks your walk, then you can't see your overall steps. So that kind of drives me a little bit nuts. And I don't know if I'm just like not doing it right, but I don't know. This is, I don't even know which one. I think this is a Versa, but I don't know what number. Anyway, I am going to one of my grocery stores, Star Market. I couldn't remember if it was Shaw's or Star Market. Star Market for, I think the cold brew that I want is on sale here. And since I couldn't get it yesterday because they didn't have the decaf, I want to check here and see if they have decaf at this one. And then maybe grab a couple other things that I could use at home. That is all put back together. Papa's having a great day. Making a little fake margarita with this organic margarita mix from Trader Joe's and some seltzer and a lovely goblet of crushed ice. Doesn't that look so refreshing? I don't know if it'll be as elegant if I use a straw, but I'm using a straw at least to stir it. Okay. Ooh. Wow, that's actually so good. I mean, it doesn't really taste like a margarita per se, but it's very yummy. That is 100 calories though. But I guess it's better than if I had put actual alcohol in it, then it would be more like 200, 250. I don't really know. How many calories are in tequila? She is doing so good today. I'm so happy. She literally walked all the way across the kitchen to the back door so that I knew she needed to go out, which she hasn't done that yet. Like she hasn't fully walked yet. So it was amazing. I brought her out. She walked around the backyard. She went to the bathroom. She's doing so good today. She's up and she's exploring. What are you doing, girl? Oh. Still very unstable. Oh. What are you looking for?